Hello, am I audible? Hello. Okay, please wait for a few more minutes, then we will start the sessions. Okay. We are waiting for few more people. If they will join, then we will start the session soon. So please wait. Hello, sir. We are waiting for few more people. Then we will start the session very soon. I think by 6:05 we are waiting. Then we'll start the session. So please wait. Okay. Uh, yes, 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 sure, sir. I have already uh, submitted that video on my YouTube channel, so you can watch it from there. Probably I will also share the PPT link as well as the video link. So give me some time. Sir, you can access it, the PPT as well as the video link from here. So I will keep updating materials here on this link. Yes, sir. So we are waiting last 1 minute, then like we will start the session. Slides are visible. Okay. Hello everyone. Very good afternoon. My name is Gaurav Kumar. I'm a PhD research scholar and Professor Research Fellow at the Department of Design, IIT Kanpur. I'm your course teaching assistant. I welcome everyone. So, today we will discussing the key concept covered in the week two of our usability engineering course. We will explore the role of usability in the software development, techniques for integrating usability and important usability metrics. We will also look at some real world case studies and discuss challenge and best practice. Let's start. First one is the role of usability in software development. Okay. Usability plays a crucial role in software development, ensuring that the products are easy to use, efficient, and satisfying the users. It involves the designing interface and support user in achieving their goals with minimal effort and frustration. A well-designed software product improves productivity, reduce user errors, and enhance overall satisfaction. Poor usability, on the other hand, can lead to frustrations, high error rates, and even financial loss for business. In this session, we will explore how usability contributes to the success of software products. Okay. Moving. Next one is usability throughout the software life cycle. Okay, usability is not a one-time effort, but a continuous process that extends throughout the software life cycle, and it should be considered during all phase requirements, gathering, design, development, testing, and even post deployment updates. In the initial stage, user research helps in understanding need and expectations during development. Usability testing ensures that design choice align with the real user behavior. After the deployment, user feedback and analytics helps to refine and enhance usability further. Incorporating the usability at every stage leads to a better user experience and higher product success. Okay. I am assuming all of you are watching such videos. Hello. Is everyone saw the videos of second week? Uh, the week two videos on NPTEL have you watched? Okay. Basically, what doing here, we are summarizing the whole week courses in just a single classes, and after the summarizations, we will see some questions based on the concept which we learned throughout the week. Okay. Please keep watching the videos. Next, moving to our next slide. Next one is techniques for integrating usability. So incorporating the usability into software development requires strategic techniques that ensures user-friendly design and seamless interaction. Let's explore some essential usability interactions methods. Okay. First one is user research. So understanding the end user. So before designing a system, it is critical to understand the target users, their needs, goal, challenge, and expectations. So techniques such as user interviews, survey, field studies, and ethnographic research help in gathering valuable insights into the insights about users' behaviors. Okay, so examples: banking apps should be were designed differently for tech savvy. So a young professional versus elderly users who may not be comfortable with complex interfaces. Next one is wireframing and prototyping, designing for usability. So wireframings are low fidelity sketches of interface layout focusing on structures rather than visual designs. Okay, prototypes provides a clickable interaction version of the design, allowing early testing and feedbacks. So why it matters? So instead of directly coding an interface, so wireframing and prototyping allow designers to test usability concepts before major development begins. So wireframing tools are like Figma, Adobe XD, Balsamic, etc. So next one is usability testing. Usability testing. So validating the design choice. So real user interact with the systems while being observed, and their performance is measurable based on efficiency, effectiveness, and satisfaction. Examples: if users struggle to find the checkout button on an e-commerce website, usability testing help identify and fix this issue before launch. So common usability testing methods are uh, like think aloud protocol, which is user variabilize their thoughts while interacting with the interface. Next is task based testing. So users are given a specific task to complete while their performance is analyzed. Okay. Next is heuristic evaluations. So experts review of usability. So usability experts analyze an interface based on predefined usability principles like Jacobi, Nelson, Stein heuristics. Examples: a travel booking site should provide clear feedback when a flight is successful booked, avoiding confusions. Okay. So next one is testing. So comparing design variants. So two different versions of a design are shown to separate user group to compare performance. Examples: Google tested 41 different shades of blue before finalizing their link color for optimal user engagement. So moving to our next slide. User user centered design, UCD, in a software development. So, user-centered design (UCD) is methodology that ensures the software products are designed with users in mind from the very beginning. So, it follows an iterative cycle, refining design discussions based on real user feedback. So, first one is what is user-centered design. So a design philosophy that prioritizes the user needs, behaviors, and feedback in the development process. So instead of assuming what user wants, UCD involves user directly in design decision through continuous testing and evaluations. So UCD process. Next one is UCD process. So a four it has a four-stage approach. First one is understanding user needs. Second one is design prototyping. Third one is usability testing and feedback. And fourth one is iterative refinement and implementation. So I'm going to discuss each of them in a sorts. So first one is understanding user needs. Okay, so conducting research using survey, interviews, and usability studies, and it defines the user persona. Okay, next one is design and prototyping. So sketch how low fidelity wireframes and refine them into fidelity prototypes. So design should focus on usability, accessibility, and visual clarity. Next one is usability testing and feedback. So real users interact with the design. Their feedback is collected to identify pain points. For example, if a mobile app has a confusing checkout process, testing helps refine it. Okay. Next one is iterative refinement and implementation. So based on testing feedback, designs are refined and retested in a multiple iterations. So user-centered design ensures that software is not just a functional but also intuitive, leading to the higher adoption rate and user satisfaction. Okay, so next one is usability metrics. So usability needs to be measurable to ensure continuous improvement. Various usability metrics help in evaluating how well users interact with the softwares. Okay, so first one is task success rate. So measures the percentage of correctly completed tasks by user. For example, if 80 out of 100 users successfully complete an online booking process, the task success rate is 80%. So higher task success rates indicate better usability. Next one is time on task. So it's talking about the efficiency. So measure the average time taken by the user to complete a task. For example, if a user takes 5 minutes to find a product on an e-commerce site, but the expected time is 2 minutes, so there may be usability issues. Okay. Next one is error rate. So number of errors made during task completions. So basically, task of uh, the track the number of errors users make while performing the task. For example, if user frequently input incorrect data due to unclear form labels, so usability improvement are needed. Next one is user satisfaction. So measured through a post-task survey or rating scales. For example, after using an app, users rate it on a 1 to 10 scales for ease of use. Moving. So tracking these usability metrics helps the developers and designers to refine user experience based on uh, concrete data. So next is case studies highlight successful usability integrations. Okay, so let's examine how leading companies have have successfully integrated usability into their products. So case study one, uh, Microsoft Translator. Microsoft Translator utilized the prototypes for the usability testing, allowing them to gather user feedback early in the design process. So this proactive approach help to identify usability help to identify the usability issues before the product launch. So leading to a more polished and user-friendly applications. As a result, user experience fewer difficulties, leading to a higher satisfaction and a decrease in a support inquiries. Okay. Case studies B. This one is I have taken the example of company Spotify. Okay. So Spotify focused on understanding user needs through extensive research and feedback mechanism. So by integrating social features and personalizing the user experience, so they designed an intuitive interface that resonated with users. So this approach not only enhanced the user engagement but also contribute to higher adoption rate as new users found the platform easier and more enjoyable to navigate. So these examples illustrate how effective usability integration can lead to significant improvement in a user experience and overall product success. Okay. So next one is common usability challenges software development. So, sorry. So despite its advantage, integrating usability face several challenges. Okay, like first one is balancing functionality with simplicity. So adding too many features can overwhelm users. And for example, Microsoft Word has a ribbon menu, but some users still prefer a simple interface like a Google Docs. Okay. Next one is addressing diverse user needs and contexts. So different user group have verifying the level of technical expertise and accessibility requirement. For example, a financial app should be usable by both young investors and senior citizens. Next one is limited resource for usability testing. So budget and time constraints often prevent companies from the conducting in a depth usability testing. Okay. Next one is resistance to change within development teams. So development team may prioritize the technical features over usability, leading to difficult to use software. So recognizing these challenges helps in designing a better usability strategy. Okay. So next one is best practice for enhancing usability. So to overcome usability challenge, consider these best practices. So keep interface simple, avoid unnecessary complexity, ensures consistency, maintain a uniform font, color, and navigations. Okay, provide a clear feedback. So inform users of errors and confirmation, and optimizing for accessibility. So ensure compatibility for users and the disabilities. Sorry. So applying these best practice creates a software that is not only functional but also user friendly and inclusive. So next one is summary of the week two. So in this session, we explored the importance of usability in software development, its role throughout the software lifecycle, and various techniques for improving usability. So we also discussed key usability metrics, real world case studies, common challenge, and the best practice for enhancing usability. So usability is a critical factor in software success, and integrating it effectively can lead to better user experience and product performance. Okay. So now Just a minute. Now we will see some questions based on whatever we learned till now. Okay, from week second. So first, our first question: what is the primary goal of usability in software development? What will be the correct answer? Please try to answer. I think slides are visible on your screen, so kindly see the question and try to answer. Okay, am I saying option B? Here option B. Okay, Jaren sir. Okay, Satish. Okay, so the okay B and D. Okay, let's see. So the primary goal of usability in software development is to ensure that user can effectively interact with the software to achieve their objective efficiently and satisfactorily. So this means that the software should not only functions as intended but also be intuitive and easy to use. So understanding this goal is crucial because it it guides our design decisions and helps us to create products that truly meet our needs. Okay. So the correct answer for this question we will see in the next slide. What is the correct answer? So the correct answer for this question is option B only. Okay, and the explanation is written here in the slide, so you can read. Is it clear? D is incorrect option. Okay. So moving towards next question. Our next question is which of the following is a key component of usability? Functionality, usability testing, user interface design, or all of this? Please answer. Option D. Okay. Option D. What about others? Option D. Satish. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is option D, all of the above. So each component plays a crucial role in enhancing the user experience. Functionality ensures that the software perform its intended task. So usability testing evaluates how well users can interact with it, and user interface design impact how users receive and navigate the software. So together these elements create a comprehensive usability framework. Okay, so now you can see the explanation part in this slide. Oh sorry, I asked Satish and he left the meeting. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Okay, so moving to our next question. No, sir. The correct answer is option D. All of them are correct. So moving towards next question. Question three. What does user-centered design emphasize in a software development? What What will the correct answer? Option B. Okay. Yeah, true. Option B is the correct one. Because user needs and performance. So user-centered design prioritize the understanding and incorporating user needs. So ensuring that the final product align with their exceptions and behaviors. So this approach is essential for creating software and resonates with the users and meets their requirement. Okay, and now you can see the expression part on your screen in the next upcoming slide. So I have written why option B is the correct and why other option are incorrect. Like the option A is the incorrect because while technical specifications are important, they do not focus on user needs, which is central to user-centered design. Okay, please go through this slide. Okay, so moving to our next question. Our next question is why is usability testing important in software development? So option is it reduces coding errors. It identifies user difficulties and an area for improvement. It ensures in compliance with industry standards. It increases marketing effectiveness. So you're saying option C. Okay. Option B. Okay. Okay. A, B, D. Okay. So no, the correct answer for this question is option B only. So it identifies the user difficulties and the area for improvement. So usability testing is a crucial because it helps to detect the problems user face when interacting with the software. So allowing developers to refine and enhance the design based on the real user feedback. Okay. So this focus on improving user experience is what makes usability testing so valuable. Okay. So I have also written why other options are incorrect. So you may go through this slide and you will find out like why other options are incorrect. Please go through the each option, and if it is clear, then we'll move to our next question. Is it clear to everyone? If code is correct, then only program is. So it asking this question is asking for why usability testing is important in software development. So first one is it reduce coding errors. So coding here, okay. So coding errors are typically identified through a software testing, not a usability testing, right? Like whenever we are writing the coding, so okay. Is it clear? Then I will try to explain in some other way if it is not clear. Okay. So moving towards next question. What is a common method used in usability testing? Sound analysis, focus groups, A/B testing, or think aloud protocol? Okay. So, but the correct answer is option D, think loud protocol. So this method involves the user verbalizing their thoughts while using the software, providing the real-time insights into usability issues. So by observing how users interact with the product and what they think during the process, so we gain a valuable information that can inform uh, design improvements. Okay, so in this slide you can see why other options are incorrect. In the first question, option A, SWOT analysis is used for strategic planning rather than usability testing. Focus group provide insight. They do not involve a direct user interaction with the software. Okay. A/B testing is used to compare different version of the product, but it is not a direct usability testing method. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is option D. So next question is which factor can significantly affect usability in software applications? So the options are color schemes, user demographics, server speed, marketing strategy. Option A. Okay. No, Hima, you are incorrect. Option A. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is option B, user demographics. So factors such as age, experience, and cultural background significantly impact how user interact with software. So making it a key consideration for ensuring usability, while other factors like color scheme uh, can influence design, they do not have as a profound and effect on overall usability as understanding your user base does. Okay, so you may see the why other option are incorrect and why option is the correct. You may go through this slide. Okay, is it okay? So our next question: what is the role of feedback in usability engineering? And the options are to confuse users, to provide information on system performance, to increase development time, or to limit user interactions. What will the correct answer? Okay, okay, yeah. Since all of you are saying option B, so definitely the correct answer is option B. So to provide information on system performance. Okay, so feedback serves to clarify actions for user, helping them understand how their interactions affect the system. Effective feedback enhance user interactions by guiding them toward the successful outcome rather than creating confusion or limiting engagement. Okay, and you may also see the why other options are incorrect on the next coming slide. You may go through this slide. Is it clear? Okay. So moving to us next question. Next question is which of the following best describe the learnability in usability? So the options are the speed of at which a user can complete tasks after learning the system, the the ease with which new users can complete basic tasks, the ability to remember how to use the system after a break, the frequency of errors made by users. Okay, so it is saying option B. What about others? So definitely the correct answer for this question is option. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is option B. The ease with which new users can accomplish a basic task. Okay, so learnability refers to how quickly a new user can understand and effectively use the system, which is critical for ensuring a positive initial experiences. Okay, so the correct answer is option B only. And you can see the explanation for each option, like why other option are incorrect on the next upcoming slide. You may go through this slide. Mm, okay. So moving to us next question. Question number 9. What aspect of usability does error recovery refer to? Like options are how often error occur during use, how easily users can recover from errors, the design of error message, all of the above. B, D, okay, D, okay, okay. So yes, definitely the correct answer for this question is all of the above. Okay. So error recovery encompasses all these aspects, error frequencies and ease of recovery and well-designed error messages all contribute to how well users can handle mistakes while using the software. Okay. And you can see the explicit part on your next slide. So next question is, in what way does context influence usability? Options are it has no impact on usability. It determines how features are marketed, and it affects how users interact with software based on their environment. And it only matters during initial design phase. What will the right answer? Option C. Okay. Does everyone agree with Sayed? Option C. Okay. Okay. So definitely the right answer is it affects how user interact with software based on their environment. Okay. So context includes the factors like location, device, types, and user environment, all of which significantly impact usability throughout a product's life cycle, not just during initial design. So, so the correct answer for this question is option C only. Okay, so sorry, you may also see the explicit part on this slide. Okay, so this is conclude our discussions on usability engineering throughout the sessions. So we explored the core principle of usability, its role in software development, key usability metrics, best practice challenge, and real world case study. So we also examine the essential concepts such as UCD, user centered design, usability testing techniques, and the impact of test on usability. So the key takeaways from this discussion is usability ensures the software is effective, efficient, and satisfying for users. UCD prioritize user needs at every stage of development. Usability testing helps to identify the pain point, uh, pain point and improvement user experiences, and usability metrics such as task success rate, error rates, and usability satisfying provide measurable insights. Okay, so and the best practice includes the keeping interface simple, ensuring consistency, and conducting usability evaluations regularly. And context play a major role in how users interact with the system, influencing usability across uh, different devices and environments. So thank you for your time and attention, and I hope you found this session insightful. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay, so that's it from my side. Question number 5. Just yes, common matter for other products as well. It's not just for software. Okay, yeah, yeah, it's general term. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions or anything? Uh, by the way, how was the session? I'm just after the every sessions I'm trying to ask take the feedback from you guys so that in the next session I will try to improve myself because I'm also the learner. So if anything you which you people think I'm lagging or something, yes, sir. Okay. No, like if you feel anything, then I will incorporate from the next week. It's okay, sir. No, sir. Basically, this is the usability engineering. It's all about the usability. So it will, it's a general. It's not about the software only. Okay, sir. So like in engineering also, like electrical engineering also, we can apply the applications as well. So it's not about one. Yeah. Okay. Emma, you want to add something? Okay. So okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay. So I'm closing the session now. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.